Guys, have you ever imagined the Earth with two moons? The moon does more than light up our night sky. It helps steady Earth, shapes our tides, and even influences life itself. You ever imagined what it would feel like if Earth had two moons? How would our oceans, our nights, and even our world change? Come along with me, and let's explore the fascinating effects of having two moons.
Alex, tell me I'm not seeing double. Do we have two moons now?
Not in real life, but imagine if we did. Just picture an alternate version of Earth where we suddenly wake up with moons.
Good, because if Earth ever ended up with two moons, I need to know. Would my rent go up again, or just gravity?
Oh, gravity would rise for sure. Rent? Probably. I'm sure that will rise too. But seriously, if Earth had two moons, it would change almost everything. Light, tides, climate, even the length of the day.
And the sky would never be dark again.
Whoa, why is the night sky glowing like someone forgot to turn off the cosmic light bulbs?
Well, in this hypothetical world, that second moon would add extra brightness. And on nights when both moons happen to be full at the same time, the sky would be bright enough for people to read outside at midnight.
So, vampires, extinct, nightclubs, ruined.
And stargazers, absolutely furious. Now here's where the thought experiment gets dangerous. Two moons pulling on Earth wouldn't just raise tides, they could pull the oceans in different directions at the same time.
Collide, like ocean bumper cars?
Exactly. One moon pulls the ocean north, the other pulls it east. Some coastlines in this scenario would face super tides, huge floods twice a day.
And surfers would have the best, and last, day of their lives.
Low-lying cities like Miami, Lagos, and Bangkok. They'd need seawalls the size of skyscrapers in this hypothetical world.
Two moons will cause the Earth's spin to change.
With two moons dragging on Earth's rotation, the planet would spin a bit slower.
So, longer days?
Yes, in this scenario, future generations might experience 25-hour days.
Finally, an extra hour of sleep. Or more time to procrastinate, depends on the person.
And we will begin to have frequent massive earthquakes and volcanoes.
Here's the scary part. If two moons were constantly pulling Earth in different directions, the crust would feel the strain.
Meaning earthquakes?
Big ones, frequent ones, and volcanoes would erupt more often in this imagined scenario.
So Earth becomes the unstable X everyone warns you about.
Pretty much.
And animals would begin to freak out.
Animals rely heavily on the moon for navigation, migration, hunting, and mating. If a second moon existed, many species' internal clocks would get scrambled.
Owls would pull double shifts. Sea turtles would get lost. Wolves, they would howl excessively.
Nature would be thrown off balance for decades in this hypothetical world. More tidal energy means more friction, and more friction means stronger winds. So in our two-moon Earth, storms would be more violent and weather less predictable.
So one moon controls the tides, the other moon controls the chaos.
Exactly, and if the combined pull slightly tilted Earth, even the tiny tilt could shift entire climate zones.
Meaning some deserts could turn green, and some fertile areas might dry out.
Here's a twist you don't expect. The moons themselves might not get along.
Sibling rivalry, in space.
If their orbits ever crossed in this hypothetical scenario, they could collide.
A moon crash, what happens then?
A billion pieces of lunar rock would scatter into space, forming a temporary ring system around Earth. Beautiful, but dangerous for satellites.
So in this two-moon Earth, we'd get brighter nights, slower days, super tides, earthquakes, climate chaos, and possibly a moon explosion.
All of that is scientifically plausible, but only in this imaginary scenario.
Okay, I vote we stick to one moon.
Same here, one is chaotic enough.
Good. Let's keep it that way.
So what do you think? Do you think the Earth should have just one moon or two moons? Let me know.